In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoText WhatsApp SMS Sender from N8NA. To get started, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and select the chat where you want to send your image. Make sure you're already signed in and that you choose the correct conversation before moving forward. This is especially important if you're working quickly or managing multiple chats at once, because once the image is sent, it will go directly to that selected contact or group. After you've opened the right chat, look for the attachment icon, which appears as a plus symbol near the message box. Click that icon to open the sharing options. From the menu that appears, choose Photos and Videos. This will allow you to browse your computer and pick the image you want to send. Locate your file, select it, and confirm your choice so it opens in the WhatsApp preview window. Once the image loads into the preview editor, take a moment to check how it appears on screen. If the picture is not facing the correct direction, use the rotate icon in the top toolbar. Each click will rotate the image, so continue clicking until the image reaches the orientation you want. This is a simple but helpful step, especially for photos taken on mobile devices that may not always display correctly when uploaded. Before sending, quickly review the image one more time in the preview. This helps you confirm that the rotation looks right and that you're sending exactly what you intended. If needed, you can pause here briefly to make sure everything is ready. Small checks like this can save time and prevent having to resend the image again. When the image is properly positioned and you're satisfied with the preview, click Send. WhatsApp Web will then post the image directly into the selected chat. At that point, your recipient will be able to view it in the corrected orientation. That's the full process. Open WhatsApp Web, choose the chat, attach your image through Photos and Videos, rotate it in the preview editor if necessary, and send it once it looks right. If you're doing this often, getting familiar with the preview tools can make the process much faster and smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.